channel. What's up if you're new here? My name is Hannah. So yes, of course, like every other person, I went out on Black Friday, unless you're a smarter person and you're just gonna be doing Cyber Monday. But I did go out on Black Friday and I bought some things. So yeah, that's what this video is. So before I start this video, I want to talk about a product that I've been loving. So the brand, sorry, there's actually some water in here. The brand TEAMI decided to send me a month-long tea cleanse, and they sent me this bottle and then the skinny tea and the skinny and colon cleanse. So I've been drinking that for the past week and I have seen such great results. My skin is clear and I have so much more energy, and there's just so many benefits. It boosts your metabolism, makes you feel better, and you can replace your coffee in the morning with this tea and you will have such great energy and be in such a good mood, and I honestly love it so far. And I'm gonna keep doing it. I'm gonna keep drinking this throughout the month, and I'm gonna let you guys know how I end up feeling and how this whole experience has made me feel by the end of the month, or whenever I end my 30 days of it. And yeah, I definitely think that if you're thinking about starting a cleanse or trying a tea cleanse, you should definitely try TEAMI. They are amazing, and they also have face masks and oils. I was watching the Instagram story today, and just natural products that are amazing. So I think you should try them out, and you should also use my code, and my code for 15% off is HW15, and if you have a purchase of $34 or more, you can use HW25 for 25% off. And I definitely think you should do that, especially around the holidays. If you want to get in shape before you go and see your relatives, I think you should try this teeth cleanse and just see how you like it. And yeah, that's all I really have to say about them so far until I end my cleanse. So if you keep up with my videos, you will know that my mom and her friend, family friend, are opening a store called Ivory Grove, and I wore this sweater in my Thanksgiving get ready with me, and this sweater is from Ivory Grove. They're launching their website on December 2nd, and you can shop their website, and I definitely think you should go follow them on Instagram because it's so exciting, and you should definitely just check it out and shop them and love all their clothes like I love them. And yeah, so now without further ado, we're gonna get into the Black Friday haul. So the first place I went was Sephora, and I was just like in the mood to buy things already. So literally the first thing I picked up, I got it. It's the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. I've never had anything from First Aid Beauty Group. There we go. And it was like $15, I think, and it's originally like $42 value. That's what it says on here, and I'm gonna try it out. Why am I talking so extremely fast? No. But it says to help hydrate dry, patchy skin, relieve minor irritation due to eczema or other conditions. I have eczema, so we will be seeing how this works, and I will let you know. The next place I went to Walmart, and I got this speaker. I just wanted a speaker for my room that was really loud, and I got this one for 50 bucks. It's originally like 70. So yeah, I really like this speaker. It sounds so nice in my room, and yeah. Oh my god, this is so heavy. And where else would you be on Black Friday other than Bath and Body Works? Don't really know. But I went and I spent $77 on candles. So they were having the buy 3 get 3, and I got all candles because that's all I really use from Bath and Body Works is their candles, and I love burning them throughout the Christmas season. I normally wait for Christmas when my mom gives me all my candles, but I just would rather burn them all throughout December and then get more. So the first one I got was the Vanilla Snowflake, and this is what it looks like. The Sugared Snickerdoodle Campfire Donut. I feel like all of these, like everybody gets these around Christmas. The Toasted Vanilla Chai. Salted Caramel. Is it caramel or caramel? Let me know in the comments below. The last one I got is Marshmallow Fireside. Very basic. Then I went to New Balance and I got a pair of shoes, and these shoes were such a good deal. I think they're like literally half off, but I got these shoes and I really like New Balances. Like I didn't even know that they were like really comfortable and good quality, but I got pink ones recently and I wear them all the time. They're so cute and comfortable. And I got these for like 30 bucks, which is a really good deal. So this is what they look like. And then I went to this store called Dress Up and I got two things. I got this like popcorn knit cardigan, and this is extremely soft. Like I don't even know how to hold this up right now, but It's just like this, and it's got sleeves. Like, this is what the sleeves look like. I feel like I need to do a try on portion now because this is not gonna work. But this is what that looks like. And then I got this like dark mustard color sweater, and it looks like this. This is what the sleeves look like. I just really like this sweater, and it's like a different material. And then I went to Aerie. So what happened with these sweatpants, I got these white sweatpants, and this is what they look like. Just basic like cream sweatpants. I really wanted sweatpants when I went, and I live kind of far from the mall, not really, like 20 minutes in Black Friday traffic, I don't know. And they left the metal detector on there, and I had to go back and get it taken off, so they gave me 20% off my order, which was really nice of them. So love you, Aerie. Thank you, girls. But yeah, and then I got this like it's like a teal ocean color sweater. It's so soft. The inside is great. Love it. Love her. And then I went to Abercrombie & Fitch. Someone I know works there, so we went in there. I ended up getting one shirt, and this is what it looks like. It's just got a cute little tie at the bottom. It's just cream colored. Love that. The amount of times I'm saying love that, like, I'm kind of annoyed. And then I went to Garage. I got this shirt from Garage, just kind of cropped, and I also got sweatpants. I'm just gonna have to show it in a try on session because these are not all up to their potential if I don't try it on for you. So, and then I got this sparkly shirt. I really like this shirt. Oh my god, it's so cute. So I got that. And then I got this sweater, and I think that I saw Hannah Maloche wearing it on Instagram, so we're twinning. But then people said they saw it at Urban Outfitters, but this is it. It's so cute and has so many different patterns. Oh my gosh. And then I went to PacSun, and I got 2 sweaters for the first round. I got this sweater, and yeah, it's kind of cropped. It's cute. I like it. It's really thick, so you can wear this like when it's cold outside. And then I got this purple sweater, and also very cute. It's not as thick, so you can wear it like, I don't know where I was going. You can wear it anytime you want, really. I don't know what I was talking about, like. And then when I had to go back to the mall, my dad went with me, and he so kindly purchased these items for me. Hopefully they don't take them away from me and wrap them up till Christmas. But they were having the buy one get one half off, so I got this like half, what is it, collared half zip thing sweatshirt. This, and this is so soft. Oh my god. I just like wearing soft sweatshirts, really, that's all I wear. And then I got this Champion t-shirt, really, really cute. This wasn't on sale at all, but I just really wanted it, so I got it. And yeah. Okay guys, so that's everything I got on Black Friday. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Dote. My Instagram is Hannah_Whitlock, and my Dote is Hannah Whitlock. And also, I love you. And don't you forget that. Alright guys, I gotta go. I'm going to eat dinner, so bye. Love you. Peace. Mwah.